This is a place where students and lecturers can come in together as a unit, whereby the lecturer plays a role as a participant and a facilitator in their discussion in a technologically infused environment.
The X-Space has been a blessing to me because I see the students learning in a very highly engaging and collaborative manner.
X-Space is definitely unique as compared to normal classrooms. It's vibrant the way it is set up.
It allows for flexibility in terms of movement. It is not as rigid as the traditional classroom where everyone sits in rows.
And I could look at it from my screen, I can look at it from here. It seems like referencing, pointing them out to information is not just on one source, but in the whole class.
It changes the way how we teach in class. Previously, we do have a concept of the teacher speaks and the students listen. But now, when we come in as a facilitator, the student tend to take charge of the speaking while the lecturer facilitates.
I actually have more personal contact with the students. It makes the lecturer feel motivated to inspire the students and go in depth of what troubles or difficulties they may face in their reflection of their lesson.
I would say that I've become far more energetic in the X-Space classroom because you see, when you separate the questions and separate the groups and get them to collaborate, you've got to also manage that, facilitate that collaboration. So I've got to go from one group to another group and I've got to sit with them and discuss with them while they are discussing among the groups.
So this one, they can then be more interactive, they talk among themselves, they do discussions, and this facilitates peer learning. So this is one of the advantages of X-Space that we have here at Taylor's.
Using the X-Space made me more conscious that my lessons has to be different from the way I used to teach traditional. I need to have more student-centered activities, more activities that allows for collaborative opportunities, more activities that will really get the students to be actively involved and respond as well.
I find that this has really made the rapport between me and the students far more superior today than it ever was before.
Activities such as gamings, for example, so that they can have a competitive mode within their own island formations, and we can also create fishbowl models, or for example problem-solving based activities to cater to different type of students' learning patterns.
We cater for diverse learning styles because today's kids use technology like the fish and water. They and technology are the best of pals. So it becomes such an easy thing today because they take charge and take control of their learning.
When you infuse technology into this learning process, the class becomes alive. When the class becomes alive, the learning takes place in a more effective way.
With this kind of setup, all students, no matter who they are, they have to speak. They have to face their peers and they have to get into conversations and discussions. And that is something that is really, really good to have in the classroom. And having a setup like the X-Space makes the lecturer's task much easier.
Overall, it is a very state-of-the-art environment that I enjoy using simply because it's new technology that I would love to pick up, and I am also learning as well. It's very user-friendly and very minimal troubleshooting needed.
I've gained tremendous knowledge and skills in the various technologies. It's amazing how I didn't know so many technology existed, and I didn't know teaching could be done so well. There's so much of learning going on among the students and me.
So I find that X-Space is an excellent platform for student learning, whereby students construct what they learn, and they want to learn more, not only from the lecturer, but also among their friends.